I bought this phone 3 years back. Now I am hard resetting the smartphone Samsung Galaxy A21S. So after factory reset, now I am setting up the phone. It's a fresh start. I have already changed the display several times. Now the display is also not the original one. So let's see how good the phone is still now. Okay, I am turning off all the permissions right now. Now connecting to Wi-Fi network. After connecting, it's checking for updates. Checking for update. Okay, getting your phone ready. This process takes some time. I paused the video during this period. Getting your phone ready. Okay, just a few moments. Now everything is ready. I won't copy anything. Don't copy. Don't copy. Don't copy. Checking information. Okay, checking the information. It's taking some time. Okay, sign in. Okay, I'm skipping it. Skip. I'm turning off everything. Okay, accept. Now I am giving one of the security settings, pattern. Okay, after pattern lock, I am turning off all the default apps. Download. Getting your phone ready. Please wait, it will take some time. Smart tour, I am unselecting all of the things. Okay, Samsung internet browser and other things. Okay, I don't need anything right now. Okay, next. Okay, skip. I am not giving phone number. Okay, skip. You are all set up. Finish. Okay, see the display. The display color is really good. I really like it. After replacing it's not an original display, but the color, see, the color is really good. Okay, still setting up updates and apps, downloading apps update. The phone information, Samsung Galaxy A21S, software update, download and install, auto download over Wi-Fi, connecting to server, trying to connect with the server, connecting to server. Please wait. Your software is up to date. Okay, good. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.